Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can change your email on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So, let's get to our topic. And open up the Facebook application. Next, you'll need to go to the menu section. Then, at the top, click on the gear to go to Facebook settings. And here, click on Meta Account Center. Next, friends, you'll need to select Personal Info. And here you will select Contact Info. This will take you to all the contact information that you have on Facebook. These are your emails and also your phone number. And in order to change your email, you'll first need to add a new one that you'd like to change your old email to. To do that, click Friends at the bottom, Add New Contact, and Add Email. Next, friends, you'll just need to enter your email address. And at the bottom, mark the Facebook page you'd like to link that email to, and click Next. Once you are done with this step, you'll need to go back to Contact Info, and here you'll need to delete the old emails. In order to do this, go to Old Emails, and at the bottom simply select the Delete Emails option. Once you've deleted all the old emails, whether you had one or more, you'll only have a new email, which will be linked to Facebook. But let me tell you right away, you can't delete all the emails first and then already set up new ones, because your Facebook must be tied to at least some email. If you, like me, have 3 emails and you want to delete all 3, unfortunately you can't do that. You will have to add new ones first and only then delete them. Friends, this is the way you can change your Facebook email. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Friends, please write comments, put your likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.